super doors and windows, smart factory, smart manufacturing, powered by Tianjin. Multi-robot cooperation, efficient precision. Smart logistics, precise sorting. Automatic complete set assembly, intelligent warehousing. Intelligent code scanning, accurate code in storage. Multiple RGBS linkage, smart code in storage. Smart QR scan, automatic delivery out of storage. Multiple RGBS work together, smart delivery out of storage, frame and sash complete set, smart laser soldering and milling processing, high efficiency, high precision. Laser processing, spindle drilling milling and soldering synchronous processing, high automation efficiency, small error. Automatic complete set assembly, intelligent warehousing. Intelligent code scanning, accurate storage. RGB automatic rotation, intelligent interaction, efficient flow. Multiple sets of CNC debugging frame, automatic rotation, intelligent interaction, efficient circulation, smart input and output of warehouse, end-to-end touchless intelligent production. Smart input and output of warehouse, end-to-end touchless intelligent production.